Let us start with the precedency of operators. In this table, you can see math operators from highest to lowest precedence. Operator double star is used for exponent in Python. If you give 2 double star 3, it evaluates to 8. That is 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. Next precedency is taken by modulus operator, that is percentage sign. Modulus gives remainder after the division. For example, if you do 22 percentage 8, it gives the modulus or remainder after the division as 6. 8 2s are 16. Okay, 22 minus 16 equal to 6. Next is 2 slashes. It is for integer division. Integer division is nothing but the division operation gives quotient which is integer, that is florid quotient. Florid quotient means the fractional part will be removed, only integer part will be determined. For example, if you take 22 2 slashes 8, you know that 22 by 8 gives 2 point something. Instead of that, it's just giving 2 because integer portion of the quotient, that is nothing but integer division. Next, normal division. Next precedency taken by normal division. Okay, slash, single slash, you will get normal division answer 2.75, that is 22 by 8 equal to 2.75. Next, star, that is multiplication, 3 into 5 equal to 15. Next, minus for subtraction, 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Okay, next plus for addition, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. You see that the precedency is taken this way. For highest precedency is for modulus operator, highest precedence is for exponent operator, next modulus operator, next integer division, next single slash means division, then multiplication, next subtraction and addition. To evaluate precedency of or hierarchy of operators, let us see this equation or expression. 4 plus 8 modulus division 3, 2 stars indicates power or exponent 2 multiplied by 5 minus 2. According to hierarchy of operator, here we know that the exponent takes highest precedency. Therefore, first 3 double star 2 will be evaluated, which results into 9. Okay, the results of first level of solution is 9. Afterwards, you know that after exponent operator, the next hierarchy or next precedency is taken by modulus division operator. Therefore, in the next step 8 percentage 9 will be takes place. You know that 8 percentage 9, the result of modulus operation is becomes 8. Okay, 8, remainder is 8. Okay, next, according to precedency of operator, in the third step, you know that multiplication will having the next level of solution before the addition and subtraction. You know that now into 5 will be executed, into 5, that is 8 into 5 will be executed, which gives the answer 40. Afterwards, we know that addition and subtraction will get same precedency but left to right. Left to right indicates first addition will take place, that is 4 plus answer of this evaluation, that is 40. Therefore, in the fourth stage, 4 plus 40 happens. Okay, which results into 44. 4 plus 40 happens, which results into 44. Afterwards, okay, in the next step, 44 minus 2 happens, that is subtraction happens, okay, which results into 42. This is the answer shown by the Python, which gives us proper way of evaluating the expression with the precedency of operators. Okay, this is what precedency of arithmetic operators. To override precedency of operator, we can use parenthesis. For example, you can see in this the 5 minus 1 will be evaluated first before the multiplication because it is inside the parenthesis, and you can see that here first addition will take place, 7 plus 1, and next subtraction will take place, next division, and next multiplication will take place. Okay, this is because we have given parenthesis. If you try to evaluate this in the Python, see this, try to evaluate this in the Python and run, you get value 16 because here 5 minus 1 in the parenthesis becomes 4. Okay, answer will be 4. That is first stage. And next in the second stage, 7 plus 1 will be executed, that is 8, and then 3 minus 1 will be executed, which gives answer 2. Okay, and then division operation takes place in between 8 and 2, which gives answer 4. Okay, and then that answer will be multiplied with the 5 minus 1, that is 4 into 4. 4 into 4 becomes 16. Okay, thus we can override precedency of operator by using parenthesis. Here it is clearly shown. Okay, 5 minus 1, that is 4, then multiplied with the 7 plus 1, divide with the 3 minus 1. First 7 plus 1 takes place, that is 8. Next 3 minus 1 takes place, that is 2. Next 8 by 2 takes place, that is 4. Next 4 into 4 takes place, becomes 16.